Our new topic is transformers. So what is the meaning of transformer? The word itself depicts the meaning. Transformer. Transformer means transform, change. Change high voltage into low voltage and low voltage into high voltage, means vice versa. So what is the function of transformer? Transformer basically convert AC from high voltage to low voltage and from low to high, depends upon the requirement. What is a transformer? Transformer is a device that changes the voltage of alternating current. Alternating current means AC. So what is AC? AC is a type of electric current in which the direction of flow of electrons changes repeatedly. Like, for example, these are the electrons and it is moving back and forth. If you use AC, that means if you are using alternating current, then the direction of flow of electrons is on both sides, like back and forth. It moves back and forth. But if you use DC, direct current is a type of electric current in which electrons flow in one direction only. That means the electrons are flowing in only one direction, either this direction or this direction. So where we use direct current, it is used in batteries. And AC currents are used in homes, schools and businesses because we need both low voltage and high voltage. For that we need AC current. So what is the purpose of transformer? Changes the voltage of alternating current. Suppose this is a transformer where we use the iron core. This is an iron core and it has two coils. This one is primary coil and this one is secondary coil. AC alternating current goes here in the primary coil, and the primary coil then generates a magnetic field which then induces a low or high voltage in the secondary coil. Now either it can increase the voltage or decrease the voltage, depends upon these coils, the number of turns in these coils. So if you have this type of coil, this has two number of turns. So more the number of turns, high the voltage. The primary coil, this is secondary coil. So what happens here? Alternating current goes here, which creates a changing magnetic field in it. This iron core has already magnetic field, but alternating current goes in the primary coil. This primary coil creates a magnetic field, changing magnetic field. There is already a magnetic field, but when current goes there, it changes its direction. Means the flow of electrons changes in both direction, which induces a voltage in the secondary coil. This is the input. This primary coil is used for input and this secondary coil is used for output, from where we get our voltage. Now if the number of turns in the secondary coil will be greater, it will induce more voltage, and if the number of turns are less than the primary coil, then low voltage will be produced here. The voltage will depend upon the number of turns. So now there are two types of transformers. One is step up transformer and one is step down transformer. So if the number of turns in the secondary coil, Ns represents number of turns in secondary coil, is greater than the number of turns in the primary coil, that means it is a step up transformer. That means more voltage is produced in the secondary coil. Step up means from lower to higher. Like we go on stairs step by step from low step to high step. And step down transformer means the less number of turns in secondary coil and more number of turns in primary coil, means from upward to downward. This is the step down transformer. Okay, and the formula of transformer is secondary voltage divided by primary voltage equals to secondary number of turns in and divided by number of turns in the primary coil. This is the formula of transformer equation. Now what are the real life uses of transformers? Where we use transformers? Seen transformers outside your homes. They are used to provide you the voltage. Next we have mobile chargers and laptops. Both mobile chargers and laptops have transformers. Basically, step-down transformers are used in it. Step-down transformers produce low voltage that keeps your chargers and laptops safe. Last one is doorbells and microwaves. Have also transformers in it. Microwave have a step-up transformer because microwaves use high voltages. Last one is practice question. Transformer has 100 turns in the primary coil and 300 turns in the secondary coil. If input voltage is 240 volt, what is the output voltage? The formula is Vs over Vp in secondary voltage and over primary voltage equals to number of turns in the secondary voltage, number of turns in the secondary coil over number of turns in the primary coil. So what we have here, 100 turns in the primary coil means Np is given 300 in the secondary coil, Ns is also given. So 300 divided by 100. If input voltage is 240, input means primary voltage, which is 240. What is the output voltage means Vs is not given, so we have to find Vs. So here 240 is divided by Vs. So when we shift it on the other side, multiply with 300 over 100. So our answer is 720 volt. So total output voltage is 720 volt. This is it for this topic. To practice more questions like this at home for more understanding of this topic.